meaning that how to do my job, how my company can compete better in the future, not in the current only. So we need to find something new, something innovative, something creative. Thank you.
So now that you became a CEO, do you have some things that you, for example, like what are the 5 things that you do that you have to do on a daily basis?
Okay, thank you. Um, I think now the world change, people change and market change and customer behavior change, and we cannot do the same thing as previous. We have to change as well as an entrepreneur. And for my own, the daily basic of my working routine, I focus on 5 things. The first thing, innovation, meaning that how to do my job, how my company can compete better in the future, not in the current only. So we need to find something new, something innovative, something creative to do in the future to to give more value to our customer and to compete better. You know, so the first thing, innovation. The second thing is coaching and training. To have a good team, I spend a lot of time to train them, to coach them, from the simple thought to complicated thought. That's the second thing. And the third thing is culture building. The culture is the most important thing that to how a company develop to turn on is a corporate culture. And I invest my time on building my company culture because my company just 4 year and it like a baby. We need to do a lot with the culture to make it a happy place to work
Mhm.
like a family. Okay. And the next thing is learning. I spend a lot of time to learn as well. uh, I train my team, but I learn as well. Because as I said previously, the world change quickly, the market change quickly, and if the business leader don't learn, we will be left behind. So I spend time to learn every day, every single day. I learn something new every single day. And as today I share my thought with you, I also learn from you as well. Okay. And the final thing, I also try to network with new people inside in and inside and outside the industry. um, Now because of the COVID, we cannot meet people face to face, but we can use online tools like Zoom or Google Meet like this, and I can talk with many people, new people, and I build network with them, and I learn from them. That's the thing that I do. I try to do every day. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing. It seems like you have a very effective daily schedule, and I believe that is part of why you became as successful as you are. Daily, consistent daily effort is what builds someone's career and future. It's not one day that you can build everything suddenly.